Hello, my name is Andy, and I'm going to provide you with a quick overview of how to manage your training using Weever. So here's the form builder where you can add pretty much whatever you want. So here we have courses and a trainee and a trainer lookup. These alerts here are call-out boxes that you can add with conditional logic should somebody select a course that you want to advise them about. You also have the ability to upload files such as recertification documents, take photos, e-signatures, and anything else that you want to add to collect. So this is an example of our training tracker form template where the supervisor who's doing the training would select the course, the trainee, the trainer, the date and potentially the time of the training if you like. There you can upload the certification documentation and add a recertification date. So in this case, let's say it's a year later. So we'll just find May 30th in 2023 and submit that. You can add any training notes you like and then submit. There's another maybe more complex version here called Training Tracker with Conditional Logic, where you load the training category, which loads the modules, and then when you load the module, it loads all of the training requirements. So you have here the documentation requirements. You can review a skills assessment document as well. So you have all the competency checks. So there's competency check 1. And then you just go back to the form and say, yes, I'd like to add a competency check, and I can add another one. Here's competency check 2. And then I'll go back to the form and see, okay, competency check 2 is given these conditions, they need to demonstrate these results. All right, yes, that person's a 5, and then so forth. Add another competency check, go back, check the competency check. So the advantage of this is that everything's found in one place. You can update the competency checks without having to update the form. And then you can add quizzes as well, of course, where you just create the quizzes and then you can link your staff member through to them through the training tracker, and all of the information is captured and graded behind the scenes. Use the in progress section to automate the workflows here, so you can see all of your training, and in this case you can either set it as work started, or in this case you would set it as closed because everything's completed. You can view this one, and it looks like there's a follow-up that's required here, so you can go ahead and assign that to a supervisor, add a due date, and add some comments for that supervisor. And all of the information is captured in your training tracker report, where you can see all of the training dates for every course that you have or module when they've been completed, as well as recertification dates based on the filter. So in this case, we're showing all recertification dates in the next 100 days. Feel free to ask any questions or schedule a demo to learn more.